Performance. We're here at our Pennzoil Proving Grounds. I'm here with Chris from eCurie 25 Supercar Club, and he has been kind enough to bring a Lamborghini Huracan Spider. It is the rear-wheel drive version, and we're gonna go ahead and race it against our Ford GT Heritage Edition. It's gonna be a really fun race. Thanks for bringing the car out, but tell me a little bit about eCurie.
Of course, so we provide supercars to all of our members. We take care of all the insurance, all the maintenance, all the not fun things, so they show up and drive nearly every supercar on the market.
Well, thanks so much. Thanks for bringing the car. Check out the link below for eCurie 25. Let's see what happens. GT did take the victory today, but not without a good fight from the Huracan. Thanks, Chris, so much for bringing out the Huracan.
Of course.
Check out the link in the description below for eCurie 25 Supercar Club. Like and subscribe our videos. Stay tuned for more cool stuff, and thanks for watching.